Let me show you how to factory reset all of these Nokia 4G models. All of them have the same system. So maybe you have some bugs with the phone or simply need to wipe everything from the phone or maybe return it. We can simply return to the factory state. Let's go to the menu, settings, system, then scroll all the way down till you see about. Click on that and click restore factory settings. Then you can basically choose which option you want. Either it will do a full factory reset and delete all the data on this phone, so maybe you're selling this phone or returning it, do that. If you simply want to restore some settings only, such as some settings you have set up maybe, do that basically. But let's fully restore it. Again, it warns that everything will be deleted, all your data on this phone. By the way, if you haven't got your contacts saved to your SIM card, that stuff also will get deleted. So make sure you back it up. So let's click OK and it will do its job, and it's fairly fast usually. By the way, you will get pretty much a brand new phone now and will need to set it up again once more. So if you want to see more videos about these phones, then make sure to subscribe. And okay, should start the setup process any moment, and as you see, we can set it up again. So see you.